Hi everybody. So today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to access our Threshold My Maps, which is Google My Maps app, and how you can add place markers to that. So there is a link to this in our show and tell category in our Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is click on the link that's right there, and it's going to take you to the shared map that I've already created. So we're going to do that right now. This map is called Favorite Places, and I've already created a base layer here. But what you guys are going to do when you log in, and I'll show you around a little bit, is you're going to add, each of you, your own layer. And you all have access to edit this, so that shouldn't be too tough. You're going to click this Add Layer button right here, and then you will be able to name it. So what you're going to do is click the untitled layer, and you're going to add in your name. So I'm going to give you an example just using another place that I want to add anyway, and then I'll put it back into my layer. But just so you know, you put like Anna's favorite places. Save that. All right, so now we are adding a few more. I guess I have two layers now. And what I'm going to do is search right here. So I am going to look for one more place I don't yet have on my list. So you can add names for landmarks. Sugarloaf Mountain is one that I was just thinking about adding. And this already brings you right there. So this knows exactly where you're looking at. And if I zoom out, I know this is in Carrabassett Valley. As you can see, it's a big ski hill. So there are a lot of possible things that you can put on there. But I'm going to add my own individual marker. So I'm adding that right here. And that's going to allow me to put in my own title for it. Sugarloaf, where I taught snowboarding for several years and where I ride all the time. My brother runs a lift section there, and I'm there a lot in the winter time. So it allows you to put in some of those details. So I'm just going to write my favorite place to snowboard. But you can also put in a lot of other interesting details, maybe a little history of the place, whatever you want. And I am going to add some photographs. So you have to already have taken these off your phone and have them on your computer so that they are searchable to you. Oh my goodness, I have way too many on here, but I think it is 11:54. No. All right, there we go. Uh, Sorry, a little slow here. 11:54. A picture of me at Sugarloaf. I'm going to open that. We're a little slow here, but you'll see how this works. So that allows you to take pictures that you have of yourself or any explorations and adventures you've had in any of the places that you post, or you can search the web if you know it's a location that already has pictures. I'm sure I could have found them of Sugarloaf, but I wanted to make this my own. So I'm going to save that, and then voila, I have my very own place marker, my favorite place to snowboard. Hopefully you will get into a little more detail on that. And I'm going to actually show you some of the ones that I created for a couple other places here. So one of the places I love to go in the summertime is Lexington Ledges, which is this amazing little rocky gorge on a stream called Sandy Stream. And as you can see, I've added in some photographs of the place. There is me on the rocks and James fishing. There are all of these beautiful cold pools. You can jump and swim, and there's a natural water slide there. So I wrote in some of the details about that to share with you guys. And there you go. So if we look in preview, you're going to be able to see all of the different spots that I have highlighted. And so you can explore that and you can check it out. You can check out each other's because we're all going to have this shared map, and we can look at some of the places and get to know the areas where everyone grew up and where they have really um, had some interesting and fun experiences, and maybe get some ideas about where we want to visit, maybe go on field trips. You never know. So, alrighty, let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing your favorite places.